not. My name is Brax Sanchez, and I'm the man that coughed up this nail while after they gave me an MRI. My doctor sent me for an MRI, and if he wouldn't have sent me for an MRI, I wouldn't have known I had metal in my face. After the MRI, we left there, and about half block away, I coughed, and this nail came through my throat. This nail that I coughed out, the doctor don't know. He figures he was probably there between 20 and 30 years. And when I worked, I used to use bigger nails than this, not this small. And if I would have swallowed one of them nails, it probably would have come out to my neck on the back.